Good morning. I'm Neelima, working as Assistant Professor in ACE department. Today, I would like to discuss the design of combinational circuits. So, digital circuits are classified into two types. One is the combinational and the other one is the sequential circuits. So, in today's class, I will be discussing the how to design any combinational circuit. So, what are combinational circuits? Combinational circuits means output. It depends upon only the present or the current inputs. And these circuits are designed by using the basic building blocks which are used in these circuits or the logic gates. So combinational circuits are those circuits in which the output depends upon the present inputs or the current inputs. Now, if I want to design a combinational circuit, first we'll see the design procedure. The first is you should understand the problem statement. After understanding the problem statement, you have to decide the number of inputs and outputs. So number of inputs and outputs should be decided, and you have to designate these inputs and outputs by using some letters. For example, if I take two inputs, I represent it as AB. And the output, if the output is only 1, I represent it as Y. So the number of inputs and outputs are decided depending upon the problem statement given. Next, according to the statement given, you have to write down the truth table. Truth table, it gives a relation between the inputs and outputs. After writing the truth table, you have to find out the output expression. So how you can find out the output expression? You can find out the output expression here by using the K-map. Once the output expression is obtained, the final step is you have to draw the logical diagram. So logical diagram for the obtained output expression can be done by using the logic gates. So this is the final step to design a combinational circuit. Now we'll see an example. Now I want to design a combinational circuit that accepts 3 inputs binary and the output is 1 if the input consists of majority of ones. This is the problem given. Now I want to design this combinational circuit that accepts 3 input binary numbers and the output is 1 if the input consists of majority of ones. Now here, in order to design this, already I have discussed the procedure steps. What is the first step you have to do here? So you have to understand the problem statement. So I want to design a combinational circuit here. It takes 3 inputs and the output becomes 1 if the input combination consists of more number of ones or the majority of ones, right? So here, next, once understanding the problem statement, you have to decide the inputs and outputs. So how many inputs are required here? 3 inputs are required. How many outputs? 1 output is required. Next, you have to assign some letters or symbols for this. A, B, C, I am taking it as input and Y, I am taking it as the output. The next is you have to write down the truth table. So I am writing the truth table here, A, B, C, and the output is 1. So 3 inputs, I can write the 8 combinations 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, clearly in the statement it is given output will be 1 if the input combination consists of majority of ones. Now, if I see the first input combination, 3 zeros, no 1, so the output will be 0. Here, majority or zeros in the next combination, so output will be 0. In the third combination 0, 1, 0, majority is 0, so the output is 0. Now 0, 1, 1, it consists of majority 1, so the output will be 1. Next 1, 0, 0, the majorities are 0. So here it will be 0. 1, 0, 1, the output will be 1 here. The majorities are 1, so the output is 1. 1, 1, 0, the output is 1. 1, 1, 1, the output is 1. So after writing the truth table, you have to write down the minterms. What are the minterms here? So it is 1. For which input combination? It is 3. Then here it is 5. Then 6 and 7. These are the minterms obtained. Once after obtaining the minterms, what you have to do? The next step is you have to simplify that. How you can simplify that? By using the 3 variable K-map. Because it consists of 3 inputs, you have to take the 3 variable K-map. So this is a 3 variable K-map, 0, 1. Now what are the minterms you have here obtained? You write down in the respective places. 3, 5, 6, 7. Next grouping of the cells are done. So adjacent cells, these two I can group. Now what is the output expression for y? Y is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. This is the output expression. Now what is the final step in the design here? Once the output expression is obtained, you have to draw the logical diagram. So what is the output expression obtained here? Y is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. For this, you have to draw the logical diagram. So how many AND gates are required? 3 AND gates. For the first AND gate, the input is AB. For the second AND gate, the input is BC. And for the third AND gate, the input is AC. So all these are connected to an OR gate. Plus means OR gate. So this is the designing of a combinational circuit for the problem statement which we have taken. In this way, any circuit you can design by using the same procedure. Now I want to check whether my circuit is working properly or not. So here I have taken the input combination 0, 1, 1. 0 into 1, what is the output here? 0. Then 1 into 1. Here the output becomes what here? 1. Next here, this is 1. 1 into 0, it becomes what here? 0. So what will be the output of an OR gate? 1. So it consists of majority 1, so the output is 1. In this way, we can design the output of design this combinational circuit.